two. Accidentally ended. It accidentally ended.
Have your mom said to call her or when?
No. I'm gonna call her and I'm gonna say go on my channel and she's gonna see the video.
Oh.
So I want my viewers to see it, Dad.
Well, pause it, because if you do it too long, it's going to take a long time to upload. Let's pause it, record another one, and record another one.
Alright, hold up. Alright.
Start a new one.
Yeah, just start a new one. Look, look how. Alright, look at it. Oh my God.
Those are the cheaper ones, right?
Ow.
But I bought some big boxes later on. I got 3 big boxes. They came from Vegas. Some co-worker bought it from Vegas. Oh, shit.
It already passed 1 minute.
It's alright. I pause it.
Pause it?
Pause it.
Let it rip. Oh! Whoa! Oh, that's it? Just one? Just one.
Oh, that was on fire.
Which one? Oh my God.
Let it burn, Johnny. Let it burn.
It's burning.
That was arsonist, right?
It's almost gonna be 2 minutes.
How's it? Doesn't the fireworks?
Back. Back to the first one out. Oh. Ah. Yes, yes. Thank you.
What's up, Nico? What's up?
You want that one?
Oh!
The sparkler.
It's loud right there. Look at
You
that.
can write your name on the. You can write your name with these? Oh, never mind.
Ah! Mine went down already.
What? Nico. Hernández.
Oh! That's my one out.
You got it right now.
Oh!
Throw him in the floor. Throw him in the floor. Throw him. Just throw him. Throw him.
I got 2.